What do the various dashboard warning lights on the 2024 Ford F-350 mean? How can you identify critical alerts from standard notifications? This guide explains the key indicators helping you stand their functions and ensure your vehicle safety. Stay informed and drive with confidence. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Airbag warning lamp, anti-lock brake system, cruise control indicator, battery, engine coolant temperature, warning lamp, direction indicator, engine oil pressure, warning lamp, malfunction indicator lamp, fasten seatbelt warning lamp, diesel exhaust fluid indicator, hood ajar indicator, trail control, parking brake, warning lamp, low fuel level warning lamp, powertrain warning lamp, stability control and traction control indicator, stability control and traction control off warning lamp, low washer fluid, tire pressure monitoring system warning lamp, adaptive cruise control indicator, automatic high beam indicator, electronic locking differential, low beam warning, auto start stop indicator, four-wheel drive indicators, front fog lamp indicator, parking lamp, turn signal lamps, high beam headlamp indicator, blind spot monitor, lane keeping aid indicator, tailgate ajar, water and fuel, automatic region control off, ready to drive indicator, slippery mode indicator, stability control and traction control indicator, auto hold indicators, distance indication, diesel engine brake, hill descent, trailer distance to empty, trail turn assist, wait to start. Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. General instrument cluster symbols. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.